We're here in the heart of Taunton, Castle Green, where we've taken over basically the whole of Taunton town centre to put on this Cricket World Cup fan zone, one of 8 fan zones and 10 city celebrations that are happening all around the tournament.
It's brilliant to see what a great job Taunton are doing of hosting this World Cup match. We've got activities going on in the high street there so kids can try out like cricket in their backyard and cricket on the beach, and it's really engaging all the families here, and the atmosphere here at the fan zone is fantastic, so having a great day.
People have got their tickets to the match, and if they haven't, they can come up here to the fan zone, which is free to watch, with a wonderful screen, beautiful setting. What more could you want?
I've been walking around the street out there seeing the activities that are going on, and just been really excited to see how families are taking their kids along, getting them to have a go at cricket, and it's just absolutely brilliant atmosphere out there.
On North Street we've got a whole load of cricket activations for all ages to get involved with, about throwing, batting, running. We've got a street cricket cage where we've got Somerset County Cricket Club.
To see the buzz of the people today filling the town, all the different events that are going on supporting the cricket, and people coming to find out about Taunton, what a brilliant place it is.
Taunton should be so proud of how well they're hosting this exciting event.
We want people to feel a part of the tournament. You know, that's why this is a free event for anyone who wants to come down and take part.